We're back in Northern California. Let's go see what's up in San Jose. First thing I saw was Lakers jerseys. They got LeBron James 6 jerseys, his older one. 85 to get 30 off. Then they do got a little heat wall right here. You don't get any extra discounts though. So we're gonna check out the rest of the store first. Do got 30% off the back wall. They used to have a heat wall right here too, didn't they? Yeah, they did last time we came. It might mean that they put more stuff on the back wall. Let's find out. Only, what, 5 minutes after they opened? Starting with the smaller size, we are starting with some Jordan Retros. Infrared 7s, white infrared 7s, 160 for those. Size 9s right here. Jordan 2s going for 140. Zoom Freaks 9.5, $60. LeBron 21s, 110, extra 30 on top. Seeing these priced really low right now. 110 for Scorpion. So what is that? 80 something dollars. It's actually under 80 bucks. These are some Jordan Roams. What the hell these are? Never seen these before. Book ones right here, size 8.5. $100 or $70 total. That's what's up. That's what's up, doggies. Man. More Scorpions. Right here, going for way too much at 200. White infrareds once again, 160. That's a size 9. Size 10. Chinese New Year colorway of the Jordan 38s. These ain't bad. They're not bad. Price really well too. 140. You get that extra 30 off. Which ones are these? Oh, okay. I think I see some 9s. Yep. Some golf 9s right there. 9 lows actually. Yeah, 160 for those. Got these in a 10 as well. Zion 3s in a 10 right here. Going for $100. So 70 after the savings, 50% off. Well, $100 for these bad boys right here. I guess these have the super thick insoles, kind of like the later Kobe's, I guess. I didn't know that. You can also see the Zoom Air in the forefront. Oh, those go for 100. All right, that was the entire sidewall right here. 11 and above, that's the back wall right here. But we're gonna break things up a little bit. Check out the apparel section to get an extra 30 off. In Southern California, a lot of the Nike outlets had 40 off. Did they have that here too, or did it change this weekend? I don't know. Don't know. We're gonna find out because I'm gonna hit up a couple other spots. 35 for this Nike long sleeve shirt right here. Got some Stanford merch right here. Dry fit long sleeve going for 40. Got some Saints gear going for 40 as well. Ton of these Cardinal shirts. What's this? Ooh, it's a Jordan sweatshirt right here. Really thick. Going for 80. Tech fleece jacket right here. Yeah, it's a jacket and it's 110. So was that 80 bucks? Not too bad. Niners NFC champion hoodies right here, 50 bucks. We don't want NFC championship shirts, so come on now, dude. Or merch at all. $50 for this Nike running. Is that 45 for the Nike running, my bad. Interesting shirt right here, kind of like a jersey material. Super thick though. $23. It is for a kids. So I don't know what that's for though. What sport is it for? Super thick jacket right here. It is a tech pack. Yeah, $250 down to $170, so a little over $100. And Syracuse merch right here, $65. Interesting pants right here, some sweats, Nike Access Performance System. Not really familiar with this. 110 though, normally 160. Premium price tag. Cargo shorts right here. Got cargo pants. These are women's though, $100. Got a men's version of that going for 91. Got running shorts and stuff like that. I've never seen Any of y'all ask about a running shorts, so they got these Jordan. I don't know, they're like kind of like khaki, but has elastic on top. 140 for those. And then this last rack, it's just all sweats, $45. Bunch of different colorways. That's about it, dude. Back in the 11s, 160 for those. Take one twos, go for 80. 110 for these. Y'all catch each and every one of my videos. Y'all saw that we saw these in watts, size 12 and a half. Bossco and I found them for what, $36? And Bossco ended up getting it for one of his members. Man, yeah, 110 here. That comes out to what, $80, $78, something like that. Air Max 95, 130 for those. Size 12, mostly same old, 180 for these Jordan 1 High Golf. These are size 13. Vomero 16s right here if you're into running shoes, going for 70. 140 for these bad boys right here. Zion 3, TikTok colorway. Size 14, Infinity Run Flyknit 4s in a pretty dope colorway. Price is a little high though. 120. That's actually not too bad. Special 30 off. We've just found crazy deals on these in the past. Pegasus Flight, he's going for 70. That's not bad at all. Air Flight Light Mids for Big Feet Gang, $100. Zoom Freak 5 is being given away, $40. $40 for those, and then you get an extra 30 off. Extra Bright Dunks, 125 for a size 15. Sabrina, size 15 women's though, so 13 and a half, $90. Oh, do got these bad boys. Who knows the price though, because it's in the wrong box. They have it listed as $100, so 70 after the savings. The Billie Eilish Air Force Ones. So I've called those the Billy Elliots several times on the video. People are like, what the hell? What the hell? $100 for these size 17s. And apparently San Jose way too bougie for refurbs. I don't see any refurbs here. All right, we're checking the aisles now. Jordan 1 High OGs going for too much because we've seen these at really low prices at the malls. Jordan 1 High OGs. These just released, what, a month ago? Got some 2s, 13s. Then a bunch of Team J's, aka non-signatures, aka nothings. What else have some of y'all called these? I don't know. But do got a bunch of those. Take one, 2s right here. Hyper Dunks. More Hyper Dunks. Got some Jason Kids, aka Flight 95s. Zoom Generations right here. In suede and nubuck. We've seen these at every outlet. Blazers. Got Heritage right there. SB Alley-Oops in multiple colorways. And then Katie Trey 510s. Got a bunch of those. They got Immortalities. Where are all these off the shelves? What the hell's going on here? They have an earthquake? And then do got these going down more and more. Another next gen right here. And then do got Witnesses, more Witnesses. And do got some Vapor Max Plus right here. Air Max 97B Trues. Metcon 8s. And we're gonna see these drop like crazy because the 9s came out now. Free Metcon 4s. Last one right here. Then I just realized I almost forgot about these Jordans right here. Jordan 1 High OGs right here. Team Red colorway. Got some 2s right here. Got these in the women's right here. Got these 2s. And these 1 High OGs right here. Man, I saw these down to, what, 60 at that one spot? Dang, what was that? Watts? Oh, it was on the back wall at Watts. That's what it was. Everybody who comes here seems to know about this. As soon as they come in, they're checking out the little heat wall right here. Got plenty of men's size right here. That orange one, it says 10.5 women's, and then it says 9Y. I've never seen that before. Yeah, I've never seen that before. That's hilarious, dude. Got plenty of the 1 Shadow 1 lows right there. Got men's pairs of the Space Jam 11s, 5s right there. That's a size 9, size 10. Oh, there's the Brotherhoods. Okay, they got a few pairs. They got quite a few pairs. He was pretty decent, but it's like nothing we haven't seen in the stores lately. I do see a few additional 30-40% off sales signs, so let's take a look at it. Looks like it's all the winter gear. Sweats, $45, 40 off. Got like a light blue colorway right here. 75 for these. Price is still a little bit high. Bottoms only, which is the name of a bar that I'm gonna start in a bit. These are hella premium. These feel hella premium. $80 to get that extra 30 off. On the back side right here, 60 for those, 45 for those with that extra 30 off. Oh, this is nice. It's a nice little jacket section right here. Letterman's jacket, it looks like. $210. Oh, this is the $500 one. Holy crap. $210 and you get an extra 30 off. That is a size small. Did that really retail for $5? That's crazy. That's crazy. I was like, who is that? Oh, duh, Golden State Warriors. Took me a minute to get that. Apparently I'm pretty slow. But yeah, do got these right here. Double XL, $60. An extra 30 off, so it's $40 for this pullover. Sure, that's worth more than that normally. Double XL, and they got these things right here. They got Tech Fleece, $110 for those. Nice little Jordan hoodie right here, $85. I'm so tired of seeing these NFC champion things right here. Dang, dude, is that a leather vest? J Balvin leather vest, $225. J Balvin merch. That's definitely crazy. Damn, dude, I don't know about that one though, dude. That vest. Why do you only need half a vest on the back? I don't know what they're talking about for the poofy jackets. $175. Normally $250, so $175. You do get that extra 30. Then more sweatpants right here, 40% off. Oh, and these are Tech Fleece. The blue ones are at least. Yeah, some of these are Tech Fleece, so to get 40% off Tech Fleece that are $80, that's not bad at all, actually. Wow. So that's what, $46? 40 or $48, my bad. $48? Not too bad. Not too bad. And then 40% off right here, so $60 for these things right here. $60 for Tech Fleece jackets. Oh, these are $145. So some of them are 60, some of them are about a little over 100, so not bad. Checking out the women's section right here. They got some huge women's sizes. Size 14 and a half. It comes out size 13 men's. They still asking for that full retail. Damn. They got multiple. Did these just hit the back wall or something? These were Jordan highs? Jordan highs, huh? This look weird. $110 for those. Those are size 12 women's. Got more of those right there. And also got these Neapolitans. These dipped below retail now? Nah, still retail. At least you get that 30 off. Got these right here. $85. 75 for these. These are size 10 women's. Alright, we're coming back to more of the normal sizes. Size 8. Go for $165. 8.5 going for $90. These are the Juniper Trail 2 Gore-Tex. Size 5.5. Super small. $180 still. Wow. Air Max 90 right here in a size 8. Go for $90 still. Not seen too many deals. Size 7 Cortez right here. Go for $70. Air Max Theas. Go for $70. Metcon 9s. These are 8.5 going for $80. Air Max 270s in the women's aisles. Got them in all black. Mixture of both right there. Got some dunks. Got some dunks right here. Yeah, man. Got that little 3M goodness. Not really 3M, but it's just reflective material. $135. These look like some premiums right here with that super long hair suede. Got some high premiums. Air Force One premiums. Got some Forces with some texture leather right there. Platforms. Mids right here. Then got a trio of blazers that they've had pretty much at every other outlet. Not too bad, you guys. They do have that J Balvin merch that we did find. Found a couple of Jordans for 30% off. And then found that heat wall over there too. Heat wall's not too bad. Seems like they put stuff at the heat wall for a bit, and then if it doesn't sell, they'll throw it on the back wall, get that extra 30 off. But I think we're done, you guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys help a boy, press that like button. We out, man. Stay tuned. All right, back in Northern California again. They gave me a Jetta this time. Drives okay. Does drive okay. Gets really good gas mileage. I think I'm averaging close to 40 miles per gallon, all freeway. Not bad, not bad. I'm just not the fan of how it looks, you know, but 4 cylinders, man. Gas mileage is crazy on these bad boys, man. Crazy.